This is HSK9, Radio Thailand, World Service, broadcasting from Bangkok. For listeners in Asia and the Pacific, the Middle East and Africa, Europe and America. It is now time for our broadcast in English for listeners in the United States West Coast.
สวัสดีค่ะ And this is Radio Thailand News Hour with me, Udorn Song.
And with me, Patreshko.
Here are today's national news. The World Fair is set to kick off today at the Royal Plaza at the command of His Majesty the King, featuring exhibitions, product sales, and cultural shows among its special attractions. His Majesty King Maha Vajiralongkorn has graciously assigned various units under his supervision, as well as both public and private agencies, to jointly organize the Winter Festival under the theme Warm Love to Relieve the Cold, from today to March 11th at the Royal Plaza and in Bangkok. The event is being staged in accordance with His Majesty's royal intention to promote happiness among Thai people and provide them with an opportunity to appreciate Thai culture and traditions. A major highlight of the festival will be exhibitions in honor of King Chulalongkorn as well as King Bhumibol Adulyadej, both of whom are highly revered by the Thai people for their countless contributions towards the development of the nation.